I've never said this before on camera, but some of you are already misusing AI and you don't even know it. And the truth, that can cost you your story, your credibility, or worse. So before you go too far, here's what every African journalist needs to know before using any AI tool. Sabi journalists won't use AI. The rest no vex. One, free isn't always enough. The truth is, most free AI tools are limited, and to get better results, deeper analysis, or even more accurate outputs, you may need to invest in a paid version. Two, don't sign in into any AI tool with your personal or office email address. Use a neutral email or a new account to avoid privacy breaches, particularly when it comes to your personal or office information or data, because some AI platforms collect usage data. Three, everything you type can be stored. Like, assume what you type into AI tools is not private. Know this before you paste confidential reports and data or sensitive investigations into any AI tool. Prompt matters than the platform. The quality of your output often depends on how well you frame your prompt, not just the tool you're using. So you need to learn the skill of prompting adequately. AI tools are not neutral. Most AI tools are trained on Western data. That means you will get results that may ignore or misrepresent African realities. So ensure that you localize your prompts and fact check the outputs given by any AI tool. It's not plagiarism proof. Even though AI generates fresh text, it may echo existing phrases or ideas. So always rewrite in your voice, attribute sources properly, and avoid copy pasting entire output. This is one thing most journalists don't want to hear. But AI can make you lazy or brilliant. Use it as a thinking partner, not a shortcut. If you rely on it to write everything, your craft will suffer. But if you use it to brainstorm, outline, and refine your thoughts, you'll be better for it. Does any of these resonate with you? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, on this channel, I break down AI tools, test use cases for the African newsroom. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and tag a journalist who needs to see this right now. See you in the next one.